Yeah, good afternoon and welcome in ENGIMACH, Gujarat. LMW is one of the pioneer company in machine tools divisions. We are going to introduce here in this exhibitions mini terminal centers, full-fledged VMCs, which is very productive machines, and a big size of VTL. So whatever the today's industry's requirement and most of the different segments where the big size of machines are requirements are there for iron, gas, defense and other sectors. We are going to introduce the products, and this is very well acceptable in the market. So here we introduce four machines for different models apart from the whatever our existing models to suit industrial requirements and improve the productivity, which is one of the major concern as far as the India growth is concerned and customers growth is concerned. So we would like to be as a win-win partner along with our customers. See, we have our own foundry. We are using the required grade of cast iron, which is most preferable FG300 in the for the this kind of mother machines. Our own turrets, which is rigidity is there, so you can apply, customer can apply optimum parameters, which will help to increase their productivity. At the same time, the most important thing is the cost per component. So cost per component is on our machines is less than other competitors' machines, and customer will get the fast return of investments, so that cost of ownership will be less. So that is our main motive, and our machines accuracy, machine performance itself showing that our number of repeat customers are giving the repeat business since last so many years, and almost all the corporates of pan India basis, they are using our machine. We supplied them machines in the market. Number of machines they are using since last more than 25-30 years with the same accuracy. So that is itself showing the machine accuracy and performance. Since LMW is always believe in to adopt the latest technology, and customers also looking for the towards LMW to develop a product considering the worldwide competitions, whatever MNCs imported machines they are going for to machine their products. So they are also their expectation from LMW being as a pioneer. They are expecting that LMW should introduce that kind of like 5-axis machines. We introduce 5-axis machines also. So that kind of customers expectation there, and we are trying our best. Our world class R&D department is there. World class our application department. We are trying to satisfy our customers' expectations. So we are still working and continuously improving our product and technology. Thank you.